Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this torque wrench set from Parkside, 5-piece set with a 3 years warranty. The set comes with a hard shell storage case to keep the torque wrench and additional components safe, clean and organize it when not in use. Included, of course, we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me to find out all about this product. We have 3 sockets, 17, 19 and 21 mm, and 1 extension. You can use with the extension or without the extension. And the torque wrench, there it is. And of course we have the lever direction of rotation, obviously. Let's connect one of the socket. To connect and disconnect, press this button, the eject button, and remove. And again to install, press the button. The torque wrench comes with a clear, easy to reach scale. Mark it here. At the back we have the locking screw. Twist to lock, it doesn't move, and unlock. And then you can twist the grip left and right and adjust. There's the fine scale and the coarse scale. The torque range, it is from 80 to 210 Newton meter. So, I think it's about time. Let's move on for testing. I will test it at my car. Let's remove the bolts from the wheel. The Parkside torque wrench set is a reliable, affordable tool designed for precision and ease of use, making it a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The torque wrench features adjustable torque settings, allowing you to apply precise amounts of torque to fasteners. This ensures that bolts are tightened according to manufacturer specifications, preventing over-tightening or under-tightening, which could cause damage or failure. The torque wrench comes with a clear, easy-to-read scale, marked in both Newton meter and foot-pounds, for quick adjustments and accurate readings. Its durable build, adjustable settings and convenient features makes it a practical addition to any toolkit. The wrench includes a reversible ratchet head, allowing for both clockwise and counterclockwise use. This versatility is helpful when working in tight or awkward spaces. It features a click mechanism, which provides an audible and tactile signal when the preset torque value is reached. This ensures you stop tightening at the right moment to prevent over-torquing. Whether you are a DIY mechanic or a seasoned professional, this tool is a great addition to your toolkit, offering precision, durability and ease of use at a great value. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and tricks to make your project smoother. Thanks for watching and as always, stay sharp, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one.